to one of my favorite MathRack tools. It's called the MathRack Inline 100. It's an excellent way for you to make the transition from using the MathRack 20 into helping your students with addition and subtraction with multi-digit numbers within 100. So this inline 100 has the beads changing with the color every 10. The traditional MathRack has the colors changing at every 5, and you can get the inline where the colors change at every 5, but personally I prefer the ones where it changes at every 10. This is because with larger numbers, I really want kids to see the tens within each number. Let's take, for instance, the number 34. If I wanted to show 34 on here, I want kids to understand that it's 3 tens. So they're grabbing 3 of the tens to make 10, 20, and then 30, and then the extra 4 ones. If the colors were changed at 5, what we've noticed is that kids will grab the 5s and count by 5s instead of counting by the 10s. So that's why I prefer the color changing at 10. The reason that I really love this inline 100 is it gives the linear picture of a number for kids, and then it makes a nice transition for addition and subtraction on a number line. So we're going to take a look at a problem, 27 plus 19, and how students can model some strategies on the inline. In particular, the reason we're taking a look at this is because Common Core state standards specifically state that first and second graders, when doing addition and subtraction, should be using different strategies, not the traditional algorithm. So we're going to take a moment to view how those strategies would look on an inline 100. So again, we're doing the problem 27 plus 19. For kids to grab 27, again, we want them to see that it is 2 tens and 7 ones. And some kids might need to grab each 10 separately, or they can just grab the 20. Now to grab the 7, what's interesting is we don't want kids to have to grab every single individual one. We want them to use their knowledge about how 7 relates to the 10 to grab the 7 and know that there are 3 left over to make the 27. Now, one of the fun strategies that kids like to do is to make a 10, but as they move into multi-digit numbers, it's no longer a 10, it's a 20, a 30, a 40, and kids like to call those their friendly numbers. So in this scenario, with this problem, kids would grab the 3 to get to their friendly number of 30. So they grab their 3, and then they have to think to themselves, I'm supposed to add 19, so what do I still need to add? And they know that if we took away 3, we still have 16, so that's a 10 and a 6. And I knew that that was 6 because I need 4 left to make that 10. Now when I push that all together, I've added my 19, and I can quickly see how much that is with 10, 20, 30, 40, and my 6 to make the 46. Another popular strategy for kids, when the numbers are fairly close to a friendly number to add, that they add that friendly number instead. So if I'm doing 27 plus 19, 19 is really close to that 20. So I could add 20 instead of my 19. And I know that that is 20 because of 3 over here, I need to leave 3 here. I add my 20. And I really wasn't supposed to add 20, I was supposed to add 19, so they take 1 away, and then they can see that they've still got their 46. The inline 100 is an excellent way for kids to model those strategies that are mentioned in Common Core, and then transition into modeling it on a number line. The nice thing about this inline is that it can attach to your whiteboard with these big magnets, and then you can write the little hops to show them how they would hop on a number line. If you want more info on lessons to use with the inline 100, check out our book, Mastering the MathRack.